everyone, welcome to Black Matrix. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete search history on Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app and scroll down until you see Apps. Now scroll down until you find Safari and tap on it. Scroll all the way down and select the Advanced tab, where you'll notice the Website Data section. Now click Remove All Website Data to delete it. Go back to the main Safari settings screen and scroll down to find Clear History and Website Data. Tap it, then choose All History to remove your entire browsing history from Safari. For added privacy, you can also choose to close any open tabs. Finally, tap Clear History to complete the process. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your search history on Safari and cleared your browsing data on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Black Matrix for more tech tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.